Apart from that, you must be seeing, the terminologies like LLM, agents, agentic AI, right? LLMs, agents, agentic AI, MCPs. What are those? LLM is what? That is the brain, that is the brain of everything, because that's the large language model, that's the large language model which talks about everything, right? Which talks about everything. It is the brain behind the tools, like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. You talk about any of those tools, right? It is one of the important part, right? Agents and things are nothing, agents, agentic AI. When we talk about those, that means there is something, which is now not only answering the questions, right? It's not the chat GPT is not only like, it's not like a chat GPT or something, which is just answering the question for you, but it is doing the task for you. You have given a workflow that, hey, if you get this email, you go and you check this thing in this document, get the extract the required information, put it in the mail, right? Draft the email and send the email on my behalf. Go ahead and attend the meeting on my behalf, right? Summarize the meeting on my things. So that means it is doing the work for you, right? It is doing the work for you. So this is world, is moving to the agentic AI now, right? And MCP is what, if you want to connect to the different tools, with your AI apps, like your Google Drive, like your uh, Canva or any other kind of a tools, right? The Google Photos and things, everything is going to help you with this particular tool. Now, before we move ahead, right? How many of you feel that your prompts are good? How many, is there anyone who doesn't use chat gpt? Let's see in our audience, if there is anyone who doesn't use chat gpt. Okay, there is one person who doesn't use chat gpt, that's great. But any other, let's see. Okay, how many of you have tried to analyze your prompt? How many of you have ever asked the chat GPT this question that, hey GPT, can you analyze the prompts which I have given to you so far, comparing to the prompts you received from the rest of the world, right? How will you analyze or how will you score my prompts, where you will give me or help me understand enough that it should give a better thing? Give me the thumbs up emoji if anyone of you have tried that. That means hardly few people are there, right? Hardly few people are there who have tried this, right? Who have tried this, that to understand that are they giving the prompts the things to not to, are they giving or asking chat gpt itself that whether my prompt is good or not, right?